Hi everyone, today in front of me I've got fake Samsung, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard in order to check how it looks like here, and as you can see, this is how it looks. I actually cannot change the language using the keyboard settings, so we have to do it using actually general settings. So let's enter the settings here. Now let's tap on General Management, Language and Input, and as you can see here, we've got keyboard and input methods. We've got the Android keyboard, which we will use, which is currently set. As you can see, it is also notified here, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got languages, so let's tap. Right now we've got Use System Language option applied, but we can obviously turn it off. As you can see right now, we've got the English from United Kingdom option set, and all you have to do right now in order to set new language, to add new language actually, is to tap on the switcher next to it. So let me pick the graphical one, let me pick Arabic, let's tap on it, and now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And as you can see, we've got actually two differences. First of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language because we've got two different applied. So right now I'm typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. So this is how it works here. So actually that's how to add new language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because you do not, for example, use and need two different languages. So let's get back to the settings. And here from this list, all we have to do in order to disable the language is to just tap on this switcher here. So let me turn off Arabic, and now we can go back to the keyboard, and as you can see, it looks just like it looked at the very first step. So the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, so it means that we've got only English applied. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.